Hey you, where are we going next?
Christmas market.
Look, it's right there. The Christmas. Oh, there it is. I also want to like contrast the starkness in weather compared to the last vlog we did and then this one. Probably about 40 degrees in temperature. So we're gonna go into the Toronto Christmas market and have a fun time and a merry, merry festive family time.
Yeah.
Cool. Guess what? It's this one little, it's our birthday tomorrow. Happy birthday!
And I chose to do this on purpose.
We're gonna have fun, don't worry. It's not cold. Okay, let's go.
Look how many days there's left till Christmas.
39. Wow. Oh look. It's 2 turtle doves.
A friendship.
Yeah. I wonder if it has like a Home Alone trademark on it. No, it's Kurt and Adler. Wow. What happened to our selfie stick?
Little nubs.
It just like broke.
Generic.
Is that what you can order? Choose 3 of the following for $10. Spirit of York vodka, Red Fife wheat vodka, Spirit of York gin, Spirit of York whiskey, Spirit. I have a feeling there's something to do with Spirit of York. Is that where we are?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. But these are all
Do you
just
want
like...
something from here, or do you want to just keep going?
Yeah, let's keep going.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Do you want to carry this?
No, you're doing great, sweetie. There's yours.
You think it's good?
I don't know. Do you think so?
Cheers.
Cheers. What is it? So this is called a grog.
It's spiced rum and...
Spiced rum and cider. Apple cider. Yeah. Ready?
It's so good.
Yeah.
I'm eating all the hairs though.
Okay, I'll do it. I need to eat more grog. Do you remember where we were when we saw a place called Grog's Grotto? Grog's Grotto? Grog's Grotto. I'm gonna look it up. I'll put it on the screen here.
Nassau?
Grog's Grotto, Nassau.
Or Disney?
Could be in Disney, yeah. But
It smells like a campfire.
We're gonna
Do
look
they have
up
a
it.
campfire over there again?
I don't know. There's one right there.
What's the plan?
We're gonna go check out the Christmas tree.
What's the plan, Stan?
We're gonna go check out the Christmas tree.
Okay.
We're gonna go check out some crafts and some treats and stuff and eat some...
Ooh, I want a
like-
poutine.
Yeah, there's a grilled cheese place over there that's gonna take all my money. Okay, here, ready? Here's the first #1 tip of visiting Toronto's Christmas market.
Okay, what's that?
This is it right here.
What is it?
That is called hot water. So if you want to warm up, you can get hot water. And all the vendors should be able to give you hot water. And it's awesome because it's so cold outside. And you can sip it, just like tea, and warm up from the frigid Toronto Canadian temperatures. Crepes? Oh, yum.
Yeah,
I don't-
cheese, that sounds good.
I don't think I can have crepes now that I eat your mom's crepes.
Yeah.
I can't eat any other crepes now. You. Hey Mona,
Yeah.
I found something you're gonna like.
What's that? Poutine?
Oh yeah. You know it. There's so many. Oh my god, I can see like the names. The French Canadian, the Gobbler, Champignon, and that's it. Look, there it is. People come from all over the world to see this tower, the CN Tower.
Yeah. You look like a unicorn.
Oh, yum. Handle. Yum. Scale of 1 to 10, how was your poutine?
Like a 7.
7? That's pretty strong. That's a strong poutine. I think a good part of it was coming indoors. So we came into Balzac's. Is it Balzac's? Balzac's Coffee. And we ate our poutine. If we ate it outside, I think that poutine would have been a 4 or a 3 because of the temperature. So it stayed warm the whole time, eh?
Yeah, not bad.
Yeah, so good. Yeah. So I'm just gonna share a couple things with you first. Okay,
Yeah.
so Santa's house. You can see Santa.
Yes.
The lineup's pretty big right now, so we're probably
Yeah, it's right there.
No, that's like a shack.
Yeah, but the lineup's right there to get in.
No, not.
It's not?
Come over here, I'll show you. So Santa's house
you're
is
right.
like, just like way, just kind of down here, just past these like 3 houses right
Okay.
now.
Yeah.
And I just want to show you guys 2 other things. If you go to the right a bit.
That's where the iconic heart is.
So right here, behind me, there's a heart. You can get your picture at. Or you can just stand with me and get your picture taken. I'll stand here and take pictures with you. I'll be the big heart. And
Cute.
then behind the heart, can you see?
Yep.
Way over here, this is the CN Tower.
Yeah, didn't we walk from there all the way to here last time we came?
Oh my god, yeah.
It was
okay.
a long walk, so I don't recommend it.
So if you guys are staying at a hotel near the CN Tower there, it's probably going to take you about 20-25 minutes to walk all the way here. And if it's really cold, dress warm. Yeah, because it's a long walk here. I think like that entertainment district is a place to stay and just kind of brave the walk or try to get an Uber.
Yeah, Uber, all the way.
I'm hungry.
Let's get some. Let's get
hungry.
some cheese.
All right, waypointing here. Ready? So over here is where the Nespresso store was. This is where we were just behind these buildings talking. And there's Santa. Oh no.
What?
This poor tree.
Somebody plug him in.
Plug him in. He wants to be happy and light up like his friends. All right. So if we go continuing this way, Santa's house is behind us. This is where we'll go and get to the Christmas tree and the main square where the stage is. This is a Christmas market. This is in fact a market. So here's all the, here's all the vendors where you can buy all your stuff at. So ornaments and candies. You can buy lip balm.
And bath bombs.
And bath bombs? Christmas bath bombs? What? These are like totally stocking stuffers. So there's all kinds of candy. Soaps. Awesome. And then stuff you can, sweaters and mittens and hats. So walking through here, this peace logo here will be your landmark. Peace, there it is, peace. Wow. A Yoda one? Oh, yoga, yeah. So cool.
Wait, is that own?
Yeah, there it is. Love it. That's my peace logo there. Nice. So this peace logo will be your landmark to kind of continue down this way here. And then the main stage is just over here. You can actually hear them singing some Christmas carols. And then the big tree. Look at the reveal. Yeah, I'm going to call that back behind us. That's Peace Alley. You know why? Because of this right here. Peace. Oh my god, is that the North Pole? It is the North Pole. So here's the Christmas tree behind us here. And then the main stage in that main square area. There's a Ferris wheel back there. That's actually way back there where we got our poutine and had our poutine. And then Balzac's Coffee is right there where we ate our poutine. Turning this way. This is like kind of the, I don't know what, this is the main like town square kind of. I really don't know the landmarks, but oh, this is the main entrance. So the main entrance is, the way we came in is straight ahead of us here. And then the coolest thing here where Mona's taking a picture of right now, is this. How many days till Christmas? 39.
You should get a grilled cheese first.
You want a cheese, grilled cheese? Okay, so landmarking again. Here's the countdown to Christmas over here. And we're walking down this alleyway behind us, so swinging around this way. And this leads down to the actual Mill Street Brewery that's down here. And then another square where there's like restaurants and like a kind of like a brew house and some drink stands as well. So they're just...
That's where the Naughty and Nice bar is.
Yeah, that's what it's called, Naughty and Nice bar. We're gonna get the drink of the gods. The ultimate drinking chocolate. Oh my god.
Hi.
Is this for real?
Yes.
Wow. Okay, cool. Tip number 2 of coming to the Toronto Christmas market. Get a drink of the gods, tell them you have a credit card, they take you inside to this warm haven, and you pay over here. Yeah, just right there. And then take your drink of the gods and stand right here beside this heater, and that's gonna warm you up. So we're gonna enjoy our drink of the gods here by this heater. Oh no. That's so good. So good. Try your drink. Chocolatey goodness.
It's so thick and creamy.
It is good, eh?
Very good.
I like the chocolate taste too.
Oh my god. Oh, my feet are getting warm. Yes.
It's nice how it's sugar-free too, right? All right. So we are back. We just enjoyed our... I can't say the name of the drink anymore. Actually, I can. It's called Drink of the Gods. Back behind us, and now we're heading towards Mill Street Brewery. So actually...
Grilled cheese. You want that?
Yeah. So here's the countdown to Christmas. That's where we just had Drink of the Gods right here. Here's the grilled cheese stand, where we're gonna grab a grilled cheese in a few minutes. Down this pathway, right here, beside the grilled cheese house and Mill Street, that's where the Naughty and Nice bar is. So you can go there and get your grog or all the other stuff that we showed on the menu earlier. Okay? So, landmarking. This is called, it's not actually called, but I'm calling it, it's called Joy Street. This is Joy Street here. Wow. So this is like a light tunnel. There's a bar that you saw just on the far side. And then there's little tables here. I'm going to show you a little closer. There's little tables here where you can get drink, hang out, and then they got little like lanterns in here with fires in them to keep warm. There's the social media marketing manager doing her thing on Insta. Hey, what is your recommendation for like this right over here being like an Instagram wall?
Of course, it's not by the garbage can.
Yeah, right there, right? Look. Just basically right there, you can like take a screenshot, insert people, bam, you got a nice Instagram wall right there. Also, I want to point out that it's 8 o'clock right now, and it is 1, 2, 3, 4 hours until this one's birthday. So again, that's where the main walkway is back to like the countdown to Christmas. And then that's that little light tunnel we just went through there. And then there's a truffle frites, delicious stall right there you can get. And then down here is another entrance into the Christmas market, which doesn't tend to be very busy, so that might be the best place to get in. It's right by the Young Center for the Performing Arts. But we're gonna go grab a grilled cheese and finish off our dinner. So how's your experience at the Christmas market so far?
Pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I think my one recommendation is definitely...
Stay the night.
That's your recommendation?
Yes.
Stay the night? Yeah.
Because then you can really just like stay as long as you want, drink as much as you want, don't have to worry about driving.
Yeah.
If you're out of town, so
Yeah.
stay.
Stay. My recommendation is definitely come early, like early in the season, because it's Saturday night, like the time to come to the market, and there's not many people here. We came like on a...
It was December 23rd.
We came on Christmas Eve, or my birthday Eve, and it was like packed.
Yeah.
and it was so cold. And honestly, I don't think I enjoyed myself as much as we are today though.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, you could do a lot more.
Yeah, you can do so much more. The lineups are so much shorter, like for like some of the things to take pictures at and stuff.
Even to just get drinks.
Even to get drinks, yeah, for sure. So, oh, the grilled cheese thing's right here. All right, let's get a grilled cheese. Oh my God, I got so excited. I didn't even film my first bites. It's so good. It's Emmental cheese. Goes in the ketchup, because that's what you do with grilled cheese. You have to put it in ketchup. The contrast is unreal. Ready? So good. We got the classic with bacon. How do you like your grilled cheese? Good?
Full though.
You're full? It doesn't take much, eh? The cheese is so like rich. The Emmental, I think it's Emmental cheese on it. It's good. Nice. All right. So just enjoyed our yummy, yummy grilled cheeses. So here's the Naughty or Nice bar. And then around the Naughty or Nice bar, they still have other stands. So there's one over here. That's Mill Street right here. And then Naughty and Nice bar. And then the Thirsty Elf is right here, where you can get pretty much the exact same stuff. It's just a smaller lineup. And then there's a beer hall over here, the Mill Street Beer Hall, where you can actually go in and get food. This is Noel Street. It's actually not called that. I just call it that because of the Christmas signs. Here's an Instagram wall of red poinsettias, and on the other side there's white poinsettias. Ready? So here's another Thirsty Elf down here. There's like flashy lights, hanging from the ceiling. There's another bar down that little trail down there. A couple more shops here, and then Crepes de Paris, oil or butter, where you can get yummy, yummy desserts. And then this leads us back into the main square here. So again, here's the Christmas tree, and then the main walkway over here with all the lights, and the countdown to Christmas is right in here.
Cold.
You're cold?
Yeah.
Okay.
We go
So
home?
yeah, we're gonna go home now. Did you have fun though?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
Definitely gets you in the Christmas spirit. It's very
Yeah.
beautifully decorated, and the music is really cute. And
Cool. So yeah, we had some grilled cheese, we had a poutine, we had some grog drinks that were yummy. We tried a little bit of like the Mill Street beer. It was really good.
Some really intense hot chocolate.
Like we're trying to look at each other, right? Yeah, and like the what was it called? The drink of the gods.
Oh God.
But yeah, no, the Christmas market's really awesome. Like you said, it gets you in the holiday spirit. And yeah, definitely come out and check it out.
Lots of cute vendors here too. But
Yeah.
if you want to do some of your Christmas shopping, unique gifts and stuff, definitely check it out.
Yeah, totally.
But yeah.
Cool. So I hope you
And
enjoyed the video.
Very cute place to take your first date. Like so many little romantic places. You get a little hot cider. It's adorable.
Yeah, totally, I agree. Yeah, hopefully you enjoyed our video. And if you did, hit the thumbs up button. Bing! And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Where Are We Going Next? To check out more of our videos coming. We have our Mexico videos coming soon. We were able to recover them from the destructed, corrupted hard drive, and we'll be working on those for next week. So hope
And, sorry, I cut you off.
That's okay, no, I was done.
More Christmas content to come too, so
Yeah.
keep
Next
watching,
weekend.
stay tuned.
Next weekend we're going to Canada's Wonderland for the Winterfest. It opens up next weekend, so we're gonna have some fun there too.
Yeah.
All right, bye guys.
Bye.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Hi guys.
Hi.
We're home from our adventure.
Best part about coming home right now.
Ready? Here's the best part about coming home. Oh shoot.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
Hey puppy.
Oh,
What's up? Hey, did you take care of the house?